My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just under 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we step inside the vehicle, we can see that we have 5 seats in total, all of which are cream leather. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. If we press here, we can access our climate control. This includes a heated steering wheel, a heated screen, and heated seats. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.